Did you know that the earth beneath your feet is in constant motion? It's a fact that might keep you up at night, especially when considering the unpredictable and life-altering nature of earthquakes. Today, delve into the fascinating world of seismic activity with these 25 intriguing facts about earthquakes. 1. Earthquakes manifest when there's a sudden release of energy in the Earth's crust, creating seismic waves. 1. The most powerful earthquake ever recorded boasted an impressive magnitude of 9.5 and made its mark in Chile in 1960. 1. Earthquakes can range in duration from mere seconds to several minutes. 1. Tectonic movements, volcanic activity, or human activities like mining or reservoir-induced seismicity are responsible for causing earthquakes. 1. The Richter scale quantifies the magnitude of an earthquake, while the Mercalli intensity scale evaluates the intensity of shaking. 1. Most earthquakes take place along tectonic plate boundaries, like the renowned Pacific Ring of Fire. 1. Aftershocks, smaller earthquakes that follow the main shock, can persist for days, months, or even years. 1. Landslides, tsunamis, and volcanic eruptions can all be triggered by earthquakes. 1. Seismologists utilize seismographs to detect and record earthquakes. 1. The study of earthquakes goes by the name seismology. 1. Earthquakes can cause a phenomenon known as liquefaction, where saturated soil temporarily loses its strength and behaves like a liquid. 1. The depth at which an earthquake occurs influences the extent of its damage. 1. P waves are the fastest seismic waves and arrive first, followed by S waves and surface waves. 1. The Great San Francisco earthquake of 1906 caused widespread destruction and fires, leading to a significant loss of life. 1. Earthquake early warning systems use seismic data to provide advance notice of shaking. 1. The 2011 Tohoku earthquake and tsunami in Japan was one of the most powerful recorded earthquakes and led to a nuclear accident at the Fukushima Daiichi power plant. 1. Building codes and construction practices can mitigate earthquake damage in earthquake-prone areas. 1. Buildings can be designed to be earthquake-proof, able to withstand ground shaking through innovative engineering techniques. 1. The study of historical earthquakes aids scientists in understanding seismic patterns and potential future events. 1. The Indian Ocean earthquake and tsunami of 2004 resulted in the death of over 230,000 people across 14 countries. 1. Earthquake drills and preparedness plans assist communities in responding effectively to seismic events. 1. Deep focus earthquakes occur at depths exceeding 300 kilometers beneath the Earth's surface. 1. As mentioned earlier, earthquakes can cause liquefaction, where saturated soil temporarily loses strength and behaves like a liquid. 1. The 1989 Loma Prieta earthquake in California interrupted the World Series baseball game between the San Francisco Giants and the Oakland Athletics. 1. Earthquake forecasting aims to predict the likelihood of future seismic events, but is still an evolving field with limitations. In summary, earthquakes are powerful natural phenomena that occur due to the sudden release of energy in the Earth's crust. They can be caused by tectonic movements, volcanic activity, or human activities, and are most common along tectonic plate boundaries. The study of earthquakes, seismology, and the use of seismographs help us understand and prepare for these events. Despite their destructive potential, innovative engineering techniques and effective response plans can help mitigate their impact.